Peace and blessings be unto all my beautiful Nubian kings, my beautiful Nubian queens, my beautiful Nubian empresses, emperors, princesses, and princes. What's up? This is Elijah, St. John, John the Baptist saying, friends greet you, greet friends, every one of them. Yo, Jamaica! Yo, check that out, international. Hey, we don't know that, so we're international large blood clot. I'm not even have to say nothing, you know? I just, we run things and things on BUMBBO clot run we. No, me I just Babylon boy. Hey, Babylon boy. You know what I say? From the beginning of time, you attack my blood clot people. You come occupy my BUMBBO clot nation. And you go on with your isms, your schisms, and your fuckery, and your deception, and your lies, and your murdering, and your thieving, and your raping, and your pillaging. Hey, yo, pussy. You know that you have one of the biggest, longest blood clot criminal record against you, your people, and your BUMBBO clot nation? Babylon boy, I bet you never BUMBBO clot know that. Oh, you they think say there is no God, and you think say you they get where you live once, so you live it up to the fullest and never give a BUMBBO clot who you kill and who for life your blood clot destroy. But yo, pussy, make me rewind your haul and jerk you for your blood clot second, cause your BUMBBO clot rope just run out and you just get hang. Me want know who the BUMBBO clot give you the rascal authority for disrespect my blood clot, Lord God and King, and disrespect me and my BUMBBO clot people. Hey, poor soul thief, hey, criminal BUMBBO clot boy, you me address, you know. Warm, poor soul. Hey, poor soul, paybacks a BUMBBO clot bitch. You ever hear about karma? Karma is a blood clot here, guy. Let me tell you, when I come for pet, when I come for powder, when I come for play, alright, cause a bad boy upon the scene. And see, we represent the most high Rastafari, the king of kings. Your hair, your hair, your hair, your hair, your hair, your hair, your hair. Alright. Say I and I a bad boy. Me not come for pet, me not come for powder, me come for play with a blood clot Batman. You hear? Cause when me a little boy in Jamaica, oh, we stone them blood clot. You fucking better believe it, them have a blood clot take flight like a Panama go Japan to rascal. Oh, them have to leave town and run away. Cause we have a pet and our powder them blood clot. So I don't know how Jamaica have someone come bring in this Batmanism schisms. Hey guy, run over with your blood clot nasty pagan satanisms schisms. See? Johnny upon the case. 2017 April 1st. If you think me a pussy clot fool, fuck with me. I want you the blood clot happen. Alright? Bad boy upon the scene. See? Listen lyrics.
No drama, carry bring come, turn in farmer. Scientists tell them one. You see me ends on your foot, you fi put it there. Tell me about me mama and that you fi say. What you know about gun, best you put it where. Me wrestling nothing in your face, pussy just say it. Please say you lucky bumbo hole, well or not today. Real hardcore gangsters not take holiday. So you're praying for visa.
Forward.
Let me send you my rug over.
Ligani. Squeeze. Body chop up fine.
Nobody can find.
Good boy. So with the Batman a yard, you know. Sure. Can't come around fill with children with them the blood clot nastiness. You must be mad than BUMBBO clot. Mad.
Tell them no bother, make me trigger finger warm up. Shoot for your living.
Come in now, walk.
Now walk the phone, butter from my brain.
Charge up.
Them and beg for them like
But me knock up.
Police are forward you, but me
Knock what?
me son turn on like a girl well.
Walk.
Them shoulda listen when them mama say pick
One.
Mama say pick one. Them rise and squeeze.
Squeeze.
Nobody can find.
Oh, that empty out my blood clot 10,000 round clip. Then what pussy, you go duck? Alright. Check it now. Green Clarks, I'm a Gideon boot done up. Hey, pussy, man, I come for play with Babylon. Now. Hey, guy, you know some put blood clot pack up and run a guy. Pussy, you're next. Hey, who no things say? We're not gonna beat the most high. Hey, remember this Babylonian pussy clot child. Who build your nations? Are we niggas? Who fought all your motherfucking wars for you? Oh, it was we niggas. Who was victorious for you? Oh, it was we niggas. So really, do you think if us niggas really want, you'll never whoop our ass? That's a pipe dream. You don't have the stamina, you don't have the guts, the glory, or the fucking will, you yellow belly fucking coward. Yeah, I fucking said it, motherfucker. It's about somebody address you fucking ward criminals. You know what my daddy said? Leg of a bumbo clot, but you don't have fucking here, so I'm gonna turn up the heat now. Since you can't pussy clot hear me one way, I bet you a bumbo clot hear me another way. Yo, my Jamaican people, sharpen up in a blood clot last like I'm pussy clot, Lord. Anyway, you see Satan realm, dirty pussy clot head. Bless him and chase him off a bumbo clot God's feet. I command that blood clot, run them pussy hole from around you. God now go punish you for that, here. That's one thing me know. As long as you uphold the laws and commandments and run them pussy hole there, you're in his good books. That I guarantee you. Alright, back to the track, and then I gotta step out.
Green clap, step on the mission, get paid for complete cheaters. The pussy them a get enough, me have to pray fast. Why get ugly, so me I about cheat stop. Ease up, one more, squeeze up. Your skull bug, your skin shot, the pepper peel off. Youngsters no wake up, don't for no street smart. 7 days me kill no take no
week off. Hey pussy. Nah, I play with none of this year. My year, this is a blood clot king. And want this me and give some fucking king Fahad of Saudi a blood clot Arabia authority from kill my pussy clot people. Hey guy, fuck yourself and you the Saudis and oh Lucifer, you deserve each year. Pussy clot traitor. So we run. Wow. Forward. Sure. I saw we blood clot the things yard style. We not follow no blood clot Batman trend. We not follow no Sodom and Gomorrah trend. And we not follow no Islamic butchering barbaric blood clot trend. Cause I know so we bumbo clot born and ras clot grow. You hear? And that's why them can't take we Jamaican, because we tell them bumbo clot straight to them fucking face all the blood clot time. Don't fuck with we. Alright? You know, see we have a blood clot independence and we're a blood clot free bumbo clot people. What I'm talking about, I didn't want blood clot dead. I dead not got dead, the second pussy clot dead. Brimstone and bumbo clot fire. Because Iron Eyes are true defender of the bumbo clot faith. You hear that? Alright, so hold this.
Yeah, a long time the world are ready for this.
Man a gangsta, man a no monster. Man a gangsta, man a no monster. Man a gangsta, man a no monster.
Hey.
But you see me look so cool, no come and take man for fun, come on.
Real old warrior.
And if you ever make me left and go
draw for me tool then you me I go sorry for.
But if you also wanna flex like a girl, then you
oh, you can't tarry out with your Sodom and Gomorrah. Gangsta call.
You make me get vexed.
You make me get mean. Living in a dream. It's a machine and call out 12 tribes, you fuck.
What is it? Real warrior, we born like that.
African.
Can't be bought and it cannot be a that. Been born over, so
Watch out my chat.
And if you miss, you will
Lose your head back.
Real talking life, you know they can't be paid.
You know?
If you ever disrespect my friend, you know we not gonna memorize the machine and we push you like a little mine.
Just like what you do to my people. For thousands of years. Hey, pussy, you notice we blacks, we not occupied nobody bumbo clot land, you know. You notice that? You come and you see we, and your blood clot kidnap we and take away, and you murder we, you butcher we, you beat we, you castrate we, you burn we up with hot oil and tar with white blood clot feather, and you do all kind of fuckery to me and my people. And we still build your blood clot nation, and we still raise your bumbo clot pitting them, and we take care of your fucking elderly because you're not too pussy clot sick and get rid of your elderly as quick as them get old, and you take them fucking money go and spree. Hey guy, no worry, brimstone and fire dead that phone up. Bumbo clot. Now bad boy long time. Anyways, this is Johnny. This one for Jamaica. Hey guy, wake up. No skin teeth, man. You know? Jamaica, I can do any blood clot thing. Any Jamaican can do any bumbo clot thing you want to do. Seeing, as long as it's within the guidelines, rules, and the commandments of the Most High, bumbo clot Babylon. Anyway, them rear them dirty pussy clot head. Seeing, one love. Like, subscribe, and share. Babylon. No, you can't hurry up. Pure bad boy. Pure angel. We run the scene. We no squeal. You hear that? From this wanted list, flick like a bitch. I Johnny calling all Buffalo soldiers, all 12 tribes of Judah and Mama Africa, unite like a bumbo clot load, cause we them a come after next scene. Watch your dimple.
Don't watch me flex, me rebut you like pimple. We no weak things, so you can't get me title. Now walk us through, so we don't have no reason. Want to smile when me up on me face. We could have the thing done in a me way.
Sure.
So what's the way you me flex? No try for a flex. Now you're not gonna like it and if me next.
Oh, now 22 number something, 10 for you. Forget the next dozen. Don't test. I'll bust up the chest. Hand in there. Chicken head. Chicken head. Chicken head. Little warrior. You're drafting me tool boy. Are you? Berry. Here. Remember John the Baptist. That. With honor and authority. Hear that? Pussy world. Traitor. Judas. Born like that.
Can't be born and it cannot be a dad.
You know?
Inborn tug, so watch how you try. And if you this, you are gonna lose your
head back.
Real tuggy life, you know, because we pay the price. So if you ever disrespect me, friend, you know we not gonna lie. Rise the machine, now we crush you like a little mine. Life roll out like dice.
That's so we do it. Cause Jamaica, I can do any blood clot thing. Jaggy man free pussy clot will. So who the bumbo clot is you for come tell man them can't do none, while you did a robbery, a pillage, murder, a poor soul go suck out your mother and what? Alright boy, come and tell you say, from April on, pussy, the heat's on. This is John the Baptist. Hey, you never like my mouth then, pussy, well you never like it, no. Alright.